Okay, I'm gonna make steak. Got this from my local butcher shop. So support your local meat shops and everything. Ooh, looking pretty mighty fancy. Look at that. I am gonna trim it, so. Mmm. Mmm. So I'm gonna do this one first. Take some of the fat cap off. I am not gonna season it right now. I'm gonna marinate it. So, with your handy dandy Ziploc bag. Leave it in here. Next, you get your meat tenderizer. This is local. Support your local stores. Bam. Ooh, it's my bomb. Got you. It is classic. Look, I caught that. All right, and just pour the amount you think you need. A little bit more. Should be good. All the way out. And then just shake it up a little bit. Okay. Probably leave it like hour and a half one side, then flip it on the other side. It's gonna be refrigerated for 4 hours. So. Put your plato, and it goes in the fridge for 4 hours. All right, you're gonna want to wash them off. Yeah. I wash it. Yeah. Delish. Okay. Bring it over here. My pan dry. Alright, so once you're done pan down, you want to wait about 30 to 20 minutes. And after that, we're going to season them and then put on the grill. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. So these have been sitting for about 30 minutes. They're at room temperature, so they're good to go. I'm gonna use Pappy's, my local butcher. They gave me this, they recommend it, so you can do your own, but just might as well just do this one. Pepper and a little bit of kosher salt. So let me season these babies. All right, it's ready to go on the grill. Around 450, 500, but it's gonna go up right now. So 500 using the Pit Boss grill. Favorite grill. Oh, my secret weapon! Don't look. The secret weapon. Okay, time to put these grills on. And I'm gonna let these sit for 3.5 minutes and then flip. All right, now it's time to turn. All right, they should be ready. Crunch these babies. All right, so now I'm just gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes and then soak in the beautiful, delicious juice. Oh yeah. All right, guys, the steaks are done. They look delicious, beautiful. That juice. So I'm gonna cut it into one. How'd you want yours, babe?
Medium.
Medium. All right, let's see if the medium. Let's cut into it. Ooh, like butter. Look at that. It's medium well. Doesn't have that? You like it medium well?
That's good.
Let's see here. Hold on. Let you try it first. Ooh, like butter. Yeah.
It's good.
Damn right.
That's really good.
Now I'm gonna try a piece. Look at delicious. Ooh. That's gonna be juicy right there. Let me see. Here we go. Ooh. Juicy, flavorful. You guys can do it at home. See you guys later.